Check out this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 3.92 rear axle ratio, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, billet silver metallic clear coat, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, Tradesman SXT package included, bright rear bumper radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display 5.0 touchscreen display Sirius XM satellite radio 1-year Sirius XM radio service no satellite coverage with AKHI. For more info call 800-643-2112 integrated voice command with Bluetooth rear view day-night mirror overhead console GPS antenna input temperature and compass gauge rear floor mats front fog lamps bright grille wheels, 20-inch X8 aluminum chrome-clad full-size temporary use spare tires, P275/6